Let's try to talk about something we see every day, and it's light. And I'm talking about the three most common types. Number one, warm white. Two, daylight. And three, cool white. And each of them na ay purpose and vibes. This ones feels like a hug from your lola's house or your favorite coffee shop. Cool white, medyo seryoso ta diri kita. Bright, clean, and ideal for focus. Usually ginagamit din siya for kitchen, bathroom, and if you want to be more productive, pero chill lang. Daylight, ang pinaka-power sa tanan. The brightest among the three. If you want to be clear, klaro sa tanang butang, you want to study, you want to clear the things, daylight is the answer. So if you want to buy bulbs, think beyond white lang because light depends on mood, energy, and productivity. If your lights on, also your mindset will switch. Follow more tips for lighting design. Thank you.